Introducing the Kruger Air Touring Jacket, designed, developed, and 100% made in India by ViaTerra. The Kruger Air Touring gear is purpose-built to suit the realities of riding in tropical weather conditions while delivering top-notch protection and comfort. The Kruger Air Jacket delivers superior abrasion resistance with large dual-layered panels of genuine 500D Invista Cordura at key impact zones at the elbows and shoulders. The areas adjacent to these zones are reinforced with 600D Oxford and 600D ripstop fabrics to improve durability and tear resistance. Expansive panels of high-strength 3D mesh across the chest, arms, and back provide optimal airflow without compromising protection. Impact protection is delivered by a suite of CE Level 2 Type B PowerTector armors at the shoulders, elbows, back, and chest that offer wider coverage than Type A counterparts and are also perforated to ensure that ventilation is not restricted. The Kruger Air Jacket incorporates an enhanced version of ViaTerra's proprietary focus fit design, ensuring the correct armor positioning at the sleeve with dual cinch straps for adjustments and an all-new built-in breathable lumbar belt. This lumbar belt not only supports your core to reduce fatigue on long rides, but also holds the back armor closer to your spine to achieve the correct armor position and enhanced protection. The 180-degree pant connector zip keeps the Kruger Air Jacket and pants securely connected, ensuring your gear works as a cohesive protective system. A dual-sided genuine YKK primary zipper, waist adjusters, and collar buttons make it easy to adjust the fit of the jacket to suit your preferences. Pre-curved sleeves, strategically placed stretch panels, and soft neoprene at the collar and cuffs ensure that the jacket continues to feel comfortable when you're on the move. What about storage, you ask? The Kruger Air Jacket has two spacious water-resistant cargo pockets at the front, two inner stash pockets, and a larger rear mesh pocket to keep all the gear you need within reach. The jacket also features functional elements that you are most likely to notice and appreciate as you use it. A soft Velcro zip guard to protect against scratching the tank, strategically placed silicone print on the pocket tabs for better grip, and two slightly sneakily hidden hand warmer pockets. Overall, the Kruger Air Touring Jacket truly delivers purpose-built protection, comfort, and functionality. To learn more or to get your hands on the jacket, please visit ViaTerragear.com.